Okay, so here we've got one of the most frequently requested and popular upgrades for all RVs. Even the brand new 2021s, they're not giving people enough power ports, especially where you want them. So we have very cleverly installed something that allows this customer to have not just one, but two high-speed USB ports here. As you can see, there's two. Then there's also a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter, right? And we've also got an indicator up here, that 13.1, that's telling us how many volts are currently going through the lithium battery system. So we know we're above 12 volts, we're healthy. It's a little power switch here if you just don't like the lights on. It's not bright enough that it's gonna bug you while you're sleeping, but it certainly is convenient having this shelf here. So while you're sleeping, you can easily access your phone. I don't know if you can tell here, I'm in the back by the bed. This is a corner bed unit. So sleeping here, you got plenty of room to plug in your stuff. You still, of course, have a standard 120 household outlet too, but it's nice just having the extra accessories and ports for USB. Again, I was right over here is where that port was, under there. And we've also got a secondary one over here. I don't know if you can see it up there. So both beds have their own USB, which is awesome.